Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to draw on the KOBO Clara Colour e-reader. So if you want to make little drawings on this e-reader right here, there is an option to do it, even if it's not so obvious. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the More tab. So press on the More button at the bottom right. Then press on Beta Features, and then select Sketchpad and press Start. And this is the Sketchpad, so you can draw on it just pretty much anything you want. I just tried drawing a stickman, but you can really draw pretty much with only one color. It's pretty limited compared to other options, but this is a beta feature, so this could have not even been implemented at all. But let's say you've drawn something, maybe like a house or something, and you want to save this. So if you want to save the drawing, you just press save on the bottom, and as you can see, it's saved. And if you're wondering where those images go to when they're saved, you just exit out of the sketch mode, go to My Books, and this is where you're gonna have your drawings. So I have two drawings, one of an alien, pretty cursed, and here's our house that I've just drawn and saved. So this is where they're gonna be saved with the books, but you can also put them into a collection if you don't want it cluttering up your space. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.